one thing to have the outer shell looking good, fancy and pretty, and still be a mess on the inside. The good news is that God, the designer and creator, has the capability of restoring us throughout. Amen. That's good news this morning. Because every one of us sitting in here this morning has to recognize we've been in some fiddliness. We've had some parts that have gone down on us, some infractions in our lives, and we just need a God who can restore. Amen. This morning, He has challenged each of us again just to get it together. So we are grateful, and we are praying that each of us will draw closer to God as God continues to work on us. Amen. God bless you. Again, we're grateful for God's eternal word.